Let's make a basketball ball in Autodesk Fusion, and I am excited to be sponsored by Autodesk for this video. To make this exercise here, we use the features Revolve, Extrude, Fillet, and Decal. So open your Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part here, we'll select the front plane and select the arc and create an arc here in the midpoint, okay, with 125 millimeters, okay, a half of this diameter, and use the revolve features. So go to create a sketch, front plane, go to create arc, center point arc, click here in the midpoint. This arc has 125 millimeters of radius. Okay, make a line between these 2 points here and go to constraints, midpoint, select this line and the center point here. Now finish the sketch, go to revolve features. The profile is this and the axis is this line here, and press OK. We made this, okay. The step 2, we'll make a cut in this sphere, okay. This cut has 3 millimeters, so we will make a rectangle with 3 millimeters by 300 millimeters. One rectangle here and another one here with the same dimensions, okay. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here, 300 millimeters by 3 millimeters, and create another one here with 3 millimeters by 300 millimeters, okay. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select all this profile, okay. And the direction here, select symmetric, measurement, whole length. The extended type, select all. And operation cut, press OK. We made this cut here, okay. Now we'll make another cut, the step 3. We will make this cut here on this side, and in this side it is symmetric, okay. So here we'll make 2 arcs here, 2 arcs here, one arc with 107 millimeters of radius and another one with 110 millimeters of radius. The distance between the center of this arc and the midpoint is 150 millimeters, okay. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane. I will hide this body here, okay. Go to create, select the arc, center point arc. Make an arc here with 107 millimeters of radius. Okay. Create another one with 110 millimeters of radius. Okay. Now select the line, close the sketch here, okay, and close it here. Go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here, this point and this point here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of this arc and the midpoint is 150 millimeters, okay. Now select a line, a construction line, make a construction line here, and go to mirror, select this profile here, and the mirror line is this construction line, press OK. Now finish the sketch, show the bodies here, go to extrude, select this 2 profile, okay. The direction here, select symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here 300 millimeters, and operation cut, Press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we'll make the inside sphere. Okay. The inside sphere has a radius with 122.5 millimeters. So go to create sketch, select the front plane, select the create arc, center point arc, click here in the midpoint, make an arc here with 122.5 millimeters, and make a line here between these 2 points. Go to constraints, midpoint, select this line and the center point here. Let me move this dimension. Okay. Finish the sketch. Show the others component. Go to Revolve. The profile is this sketch and the axis is this line here. Okay. And the operation here is join. Press OK. We made this. Okay. Look at this. Now, let's finish this. Make this fillet here in this edge. We have a fillet in all these edges, okay? The external edges with 1 millimeter of radius. So go to modify, select the fillet, select these faces here. Only select the faces, okay? The fillet is 1 millimeters and press OK. We made this fillet here and all the edges, okay? Now press letter A in the keyboard. And here in library, select the Fusion, Fabric. And here select the Leather. And Leather Generic. Okay, you can download this in your Fusion. Move this to this body here. Okay. Now, select here Face. And here select the Paint, Glossy. And select this face here. And select the black color here. Now double click here in leather. You can change the color here, okay? You can move here and change the color. I will select this color here. Press OK. Press S in the keyboard. Now go to Insert, select the Decal. Insert from my computer. And I will select this. And select the face that you want to put the decal. I will select this face here. Okay. Let me move here. You can rotate. You can move this. And you can change the size. Okay. So let me move this a little bit. The angle here 2 degrees. So that's it. Press OK. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next video. Bye bye.